Hello, all the kings and queens of the digital world on this platform. You're welcome to the day 7th of our training. I know so very well that it has been a nice time out going through the tutorials and the assignments and the questions and the answers together. You're welcome to a different package today that we mentioned, and that will be graphic designs. I am your regular anchor tutor Dan AB. So today we are going to be talking about graphic design. Of course, you know that your video and your graphic design have to go in pari passu. You understand? They have to go hand in glove in order to communicate a complete information. Okay, so this particular aspect of our program is also very important, the graphic design aspect. So we will be going through the introductory part of Canva. That's what we are going to be using to discuss. So please stay tuned, get your pen and paper if need be, and let's do this together. Go head on to Canva. If you haven't downloaded yours, go to Play Store, download it, and then click on it's installed. Allow it to load for some seconds or thereabouts. Okay. So the interface is loading right now. I clicked on reload. If you have MTN network, I think it's much more rapid and fast with MTN. So if your Canva is correct as mine, this is the interface you have to confront with. Yeah. So you need to understand that Canva, by the strength of its definition, it actually implies a graphic hub wherein we have ready-made templates for usage. A graphic hub wherein we have ready-made templates already designed, kind of flyers, posters, and certain things, even some short videos of few seconds. They are also here in Canva. Okay, so in Canva, it's just like your Corel Draw, it's also like your Photoshop and all that stuff. But this one, the difference between those ones and this one is that one is more professional and has more features. But this one, the easiest thing about it is that it has ready-made kind of template that you may be looking for. Maybe a birthday flyer, church program flyer, maybe whatever kind of flyer, business flyer, even how do you call it now, business cards. I also found it. Okay, so this is the interface, and down here we have create. Look at the down bottom of the interface. Meanwhile, what we mean by interface, it simply means those things that will display on the screen. Yeah, those features that will display on the screen. That is what we call interface. So now at the top left hand side, okay, at the bottom left hand side of this interface, we have here creates, we have your designs, we have templates, we have pro, and we have more. Okay, so when you click on this create, let's see where it will take us to. It's loading. So when you click on the create, you now select what kind of thing you want to create at the moment. Is it magic video? Is it email? Is it ads? Is it social media? Is it video? And all this stuff you're seeing here. Documents, like you can actually type Microsoft things here. Okay, and we have all these good things that you can actually deal with. It is a very vast island of graphics, and I tell you, okay, this is what I used to do my designs and all that stuff, and I make some money from it. Yes, I've actually designed a brochure, a funeral brochure for somebody, and I was paid 70,000 naira. So I designed everything. So just keep calm. We have a lot to show you in this particular Canva. This is what I use. I have a laptop. The laptop had an issue and all that stuff. So for the meantime, I'm using this. So if you can pay attention to every detail I'm going to be giving you, you can be making much more money from that. I have made even much more than that 70k. Okay, so now we have all of this stuff here, and that is if you click on the create. Now if you click on the next menu we have here, your design, it will take you to what you've already done on Canva. Okay, it will take us to what you already see. We have here all projects. These are the things I've done. The flyer, the gifted flyers, you see they are already here. This is what I used to design the stuff. You're gonna see. So let me click on one. Although the flyer may not be complete as you want, but you still need some level of creativity to actually figure out what you need. Okay, you still need some atom of creativity, because you can have a clue at what you are looking at, but you still need to bring in your inspiration and your creativity to actually come up with a perfect picture of what you need. Okay, so you can see this flyer is here. So let's go back. So when you click on that, your designs, it will take you to the works you have done using Canva. Why is it not going? I think this is network problem or thereabouts. So we are back to our projects. So these are the things I've actually used this to design. See, many things I've used this to design. I have designed professional things, church flyers. I've designed birthday flyers for people, brochure, many things. Like, you can actually make a lot of money without your laptop. Okay, even a laptop also has Canva. You can use the online Canva, and then you can still have something of this nature. So when you click on design or your design, so you have all the works you've done here. Then we click on templates. Okay, let us just get familiar with some of these features or some of this menu on the Canva environment. So when you click on the templates, you see we have here search templates. Okay, search templates. So now, as I told you, that Canva has already made templates for whatever kind of flyer or poster or graphic work you want to prosecute or to execute. Okay, so now template, you come to this box and click on this, and then just in case you're looking for a birthday flyer, now describe what you want: birthday flyer, church flyer, business flyer, whatever thing. Then you just click on it. So let's say business flyer. It's a business flyer. Okay, let's see the templates, the designs we already have that have already been installed here, so that you can maximize either of them. Okay, we have some good things here. Okay, they're still coming up. Now, you see this crown that you're seeing at the bottom part of this design, some of these designs. Now, they're actually the pro version of that particular graphic work. If you click on it, you need to pay money. Okay, they will insist that you pay money before you can access those ones. So those ones are without that crown at the bottom part of either of this design, you can click them and then make use of them. So let's say we select this food menu and we click on that. Say Canva auto saves your design. That means even if your phone shut down, it will definitely save. My own is being disturbed by network. Okay, so network is giving us a little issues here. So when you click on a particular template, or a particular flyer, it will open and you begin to play around what you have there. Okay, so now our graphic work has opened and it's still loading. There are some other features that shall display at the bottom part of this environment. So let's just keep, as I said earlier, that if you have MTN network, I use Glow. So Glow somehow takes time to do this. Okay, so you see how beautiful is the flyer. Now if you click on each of these contents that makes up this flyer, it gives you the opportunity to edit them and bring in your own information. Okay, you click on this restaurant, food menu, this everything you see here, you can actually click them and then it gives you the privilege to edit it. So when you click on a text like this, you see there are certain options. Okay, let's start with this. So when you allow your template to finish loading, this is what you will see. You see designs, you see elements, you see text, you see gallery, brand, uploads to projects, apps, magic media, audio, background, and all those stuff. These are tremendously wonderful features that I will show you in time to come. Okay, so today is just the introductory part of this particular course. So now when it's finished loading like this, let's deal with design. Now this design now suggests similar designs. Okay, when you click on that design, just in case you like that particular one but it's not really to your taste, you hope to have something much more beautiful. Okay, you click on design and it will give you similar templates that you may like. Okay, so you see that particular template is here, recently used. You see similar templates are also here. I see talking about food and all those stuff, different designs that you may like. Okay, just in case you do not like that one perfectly well, if you click on the design, it will suggest more options that are of the same value. Okay, so now you drag this arrow here, drag it from up, take it down so that it will take you back to the page. You get that? Okay, so when you click on elements, let's see what element does here. When you click on elements, it takes you to where you can search for whatever thing you want to bring to the environment, to your graphic work. Okay, just in case you want to search for a human being or a picture of this or a picture of that or an icon of this, whatever thing you think of bringing into your graphic work, you come to this particular category called elements to do that. Are we together now? Okay, so now you see some other stuff here. We will talk about all this stuff as we progress. Okay, there are many other features that are here that we will talk about. So let's just introduce this and see what we can do. Now we click on the text. You have different font size of your text. We have add a heading, add a subheading, add a title, bit of body text. Okay, so now you see how bold these texts are. It also gives you a clue to how your text will be like, or how you want your text to be. If you want it to be very, very bold, you click on this one that's very bold. Do you want it to be semi-bold? You click on this one. Do you want it to be small? You click on this one. Okay, so that's what text does. And these are also templates for text, just in case you want to pick any of these templates. Just like that in that our CapCut, we had something like templates under auto caption. You understand? Auto caption, we have something like templates where you have stylish templates coming up. Okay, this is something similar to that. Okay, so when you click on either of these and you type your text, it will take the same shape or the same design that you are seeing here. I hope you are following. Alright, so now let's click on gallery. What happens when we click on gallery? Let's wait for it to load. It takes us to our memory card. What we have in our memory card. Okay, these are the things we have here. So just in case you want to import a video or whatever thing, now if you click on this arrow and this recent, now it will take you to different categories of your pictures and videos, different categories. So you have to note which category of picture you are about to upload, which category or which folder it is. Okay, so you have to note it so that you can just go straight to the point and pick up your listing, your picture. Okay, and brand, uploads, tools, projects, apps, and magic media, audio, background, and all that stuff. we will talk about them later on. So as I told us earlier, that you can actually select a text and then you customize it to write maybe your brand or your company name, write any information that you want it to appear. If you don't like it, you click on delete, it will delete. Now look at this top part of this environment. We have the arrows here facing up and facing left and right. So the back one is to undo, the front is to redo. Okay, so let's undo that particular delete action we did. Okay, so we have 3 dots here. Let's see what happens here. We click on the 3 dots. Now when you click on the 3 dots, this is the name of that particular template you've selected. Are you following? So you click on this pen to give it your name. You can say my design. You can say my design, because that is how it will appear at that particular environment where I told you where your works have been stored. Understand? So they can use the name now and identify what work you are looking for. Okay, so as soon as you do that, you click on go, or you click on the whatever thing you click there, it will save to appear. Or as soon as you type it, you can just drag down this stuff, it will automatically save at the same time too. Okay, so in the course of this training on graphic, we will show you how to design a logo. How, you don't just make a logo for making a circle. There are certain things you need to know about logo. How you can coin a logo that resonates with the name of the company, the mission, the vision, and the purpose of the company. Okay, we do that. We have a lot of things to discuss actually. So I think we can stop here for the meantime. Okay, so now your assignments will be displayed on the next screen. Thank you very much for staying with us till now. I am your regular anchor, Tutor Dan AB. You're welcome. See us next time.